What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Polygonians, can you believe it? We're back above $2. Absolutely incredible, guys. We're up 5.4 on the day. We're sitting in market cap of 13.38 billion. 24-hour volume 3.42 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, Crypto.com recently partnered with our man Matt Damon. Very cool video you can watch on their website. You can sign up through my referral, grab one of their incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into Matic here. So you can see here on the 1 hour time frame, we've come up and we're right now testing the 0.786, coming in at about $1.98. I have noticed a bit of a rising wedge, as well as we are still having our bearish divergence here. So if we were to get rejected by this level, the 0.786 here, we lose this level of support. Do target 181 and $1.69, which is your technical target from your rising wedge, as good opportunities to bounce. Now, a lot of members in my Discord have noticed I put buy zones in a couple of my videos, and they've asked if I can do that in every video. So I will put these buy zones. It's not financial advice, guys. It's just how I trade. I dollar cost average into my trades. So when we had our correction here, 3 of my buy zones were hit, and I was able to ride the wave back up. What it does is it drops your average price. It drops your liquidation price if you're trading with leverage. Low leverage is what I use, 3 to 4x. I mean, you're always prepared for a pullback. You're always prepared for a flash crash. You can see I have buy zones all the way down to $1.32. That's just so I'm prepared for a flash crash at all times. No matter how bullish the market is looking, I always want to be prepared for a flash crash or a steep pullback. All right, guys. So if we do get rejected here, do target these levels 181 and 169. If we're able to break through the 0.786, we have our technical target from our bull flag here at 206, and then basically you have your all-time high. I'm just going to open this up. We're having a little bit of lag today on TradingView, guys. So there's really not a lot of resistance until our all-time high, which is coming in at about 271 for Matic. So exciting times. If we can get back above the 0.786, we're looking good for continuation. We're above the golden ratio. Gives you a high likelihood you're going to come back up to where you started, and the 1.272 extension. So we're going to pop into Matic on the daily time frame. So we've broken out once again of our massive inverse head and shoulders, or a cup and handle pattern. So that's extremely bullish, guys. Your breakout target is all the way up at 298, smashing through our all-time high. So extremely exciting times for Matic, in my opinion. Everyone who was with me through the hard months of Matic, it's all starting to pay off. So I hope you guys were buying the dip. I hope you guys were getting into Matic down here, because you're absolutely crushing it right now. Patience is the key in the crypto game. So on the daily, we're looking really bullish. We've had the bullish cross, and we're looking for continuation. We're broken out of this massive pattern. So we're going to head up and break our all-time high probably within the next 2 to 3 weeks. Is my guesstimate here. And then we have the 1.272 at 403. We have the 1.618, which I do think Matic will reach on this bull run, coming in at $6.77. Let's quickly look at Ethereum, guys. We're here on the hourly. So yesterday I talked about Ethereum bouncing back rather quickly. I said if anything, we'd come down to 3847. I do not see us coming all the way back down to this previous swing high at 3638. I said look for a reversal pattern and a bounce back up to the upside. We didn't have much of a reversal pattern. Some people like to call this a V-shaped recovery here, and we bounced right back up into our pattern. We've had the bullish cross on the hourly. We're back above the EMAs on the 4 hour as well. So we're looking really, really good for continuation. Now what we want to see here is we hold the EMAs on the 4 hour chart, and that will be a strong sign of continuation. If we look at Ethereum here on the daily, we're just back above our neckline from our massive inverse head and shoulders, a little bit of a cup and handle as well. We briefly broke below it, but of course we found support on the 20 EMA, which Ethereum loves to use as support. You can see here how beautifully it was holding the 20 EMA till we saw a bit of a larger correction. If we go back into the months where Ethereum was absolutely exploding, you can see how beautifully it held the 20 EMA all the way up. It basically held the 20 EMA till right here. So if we take a little measurement here, let's see. So that was October 9, 2020. It held the 20 EMA. all the way till February 2021. Absolutely incredible. Ethereum is an absolute beast in my opinion. We did break below a little bit here, but we were able to hold the 55 EMA and see continuation. So that's what you can expect for Ethereum here. Watch it to hold the 20 EMA, and if you ever see the 20 EMA broken on the daily, there's a strong likelihood that you'll bounce right off the 55. We come up, we break our high, we have the 1.272 at 5687 price discovery for Ethereum, our technical target here at 6258, and we have the 1.618 extension up at 8K for ETH. So exciting times in the market, guys. I love that we've broken out of this large reversal pattern, not only for Ethereum, but for Matic as well. It's looking really strong. We're going to see some juicy gains in my opinion. But in the short term, guys, keep an eye on the hourly time frame. We do have our bearish divergence as well as our rising wedge. We're coming up to a major level of resistance. To invalidate this, we need to get back above $1.98, head up towards our technical target, and then we can head up towards our all-time high. But if we do lose this level of support, do target 181 and 169 as levels to bounce. If we were to see some harsh sell-off, I don't think it's likely, guys. I did put a buy zone down at this level of support, previous level of resistance at 159. So if it does come down to these levels, not financial advice, but my limit buys will kick in once again, and it will bring down my average price, increase my margin, and I can ride the wave back up. So if you'd like to do the same, you don't have to use these exact buy zones. They're just there for reference if you'd like to. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts. We have more and more people joining every day. Really exciting times. You can sign up to the Patreon. It's the price of a coffee. Check out crypto.com. You can follow me on Instagram to keep up to date with my travels, as well as I post crypto-related content in my story. All right, guys, much love. Take care.